Hello everyone, my name is Brianna and this is my Makers project on reducing water usage. So this project is aimed at Year 4 students in science with links to mathematics and also digital technologies. So the topic of this assignment is water usage in links to Water Week, which is in October, just to teach the children about water and ways we can be more sensible with our water and ways we can reduce our water usage. So the aim of this assignment is for the students to complete a new styled presentation in 10 lessons. They're given time to do the research and then in their groups to plan their new styled video presentations where they have to present their own idea, of a way their school can reduce their water usage. So this project addresses the meaningful learning aspects because it's very active, where the students have to participate in the lessons. Like in the first lesson, you have to brainstorm, and then they actually have to cooperate in their groups and create their video. It's also very cooperative, as I just said, because they have to cooperate in their groups and combine their knowledge of past and what they have recently learnt to make their assignment successful and to complete the assignment properly. It's also very authentic because the students are given a real life scenario of their own school, so it makes it easier for them to relate it to their own life. It also incorporates the principles of the Makers movement, in particular sharing, because the children have to share their own ideas and they have to collaborate their ideas together to be able to create the end product. They also have to do a lot of learning. They have to learn all about water and water saving techniques and that kind of thing, as well as the new technologies they may not have known of before, which is iMovie. They have to learn to tool up, which is using the whole different technologies again, learning how to use the computers properly, the editing software, etc. And it also incorporates the principle of play because the students get to be very creative with their new style videos, and it just gives them a more fun and playful assignment rather than them just sitting at a desk completing a test. So as you see, my blog includes 4 different pages. My home page, where I introduce the project overview, where I describe the task and the meaningful learning of it, etc. And then the project content, where it describes each lesson, the plans, and then the about me, which is a little bit more about me. So I hope you enjoy my blog and have fun.